Hello everyone, so we waked up here at the Aarunya Nature Resort and the view here is insane. Look at this, how beautiful. So today we're gonna visit some other villas over here and I want to show you around this beautiful stay. It's near Kandy and the area is amazing and we're gonna also do some cooking and I'm gonna show you around the resort what you can do. I love the fact that we have a whirlpool as well and a plunge pool because here the weather is a bit colder. And yeah, let's hit to breakfast now. It's 8 in the morning. In the morning it was raining. It was so comfortable and so relaxing. And now we're hungry. We're hitting for breakfast.
Let's go.
Let's go. The main pool, you can see the sun is coming out slowly now, so it looks beautiful. And here we're gonna enjoy the breakfast.
Let's go, looking forward for a coffee.
So as you can see, we're gonna have here a beautiful table. Thank you so much. So this is the governor's breakfast card. So we got the a la carte and we can choose from it.
For me, a cappuccino, please.
For me also a cappuccino.
Yes, sure.
Thank you. So I love that you have like the a la carte menu, so you don't have to walk around like in a buffet. So we're gonna order now, some breakfast with this
What do
view.
you prefer, guys? Let me know down below in the comments. Buffet breakfast or a la carte? I'm team a la carte.
I like both. We got some fruits here, some local fruits and a mango smoothie, coffee, and this view. It's amazing. So we made it now to another room of this resort and it's like tent themed. So you can see it's here like a tent and here's the bed. And the view here is the most amazing because it's like on the highest floor. Look at this, is the pool. You don't got a whirlpool, but you got like a bathtub. So this is incredible. Look at this. Oh my god. And you have the whole jungle and here you have like lay beds. It's beautiful. I love this room, it's amazing. And then here you got some snacks and here's like how the room looks, and outside is an outdoor bathroom as well. So pretty nice room. So we are here now in the garden.
After the room shooting,
Yes.
the room tour, we're gonna go check out the garden now, where they have some cinnamon and their own stuff.
Hello.
We have to do a lot of things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's
What do you have?
do it.
What do you have here?
We have to take some field programs.
Yeah.
That means we have prepared biodynamic compost.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, produced in Aarunya. Homemade tea.
Nice.
Oh, and
So
then
we
you're
have to
gonna
do
sell the tea.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the plan.
Yeah. Sell. We produce it here.
Yes.
It's called homemade tea,
Mm-hmm.
and we sell here.
Okay.
So
So you can have your next
Yeah.
Aarunya tea.
Aarunya.
One of the most special moments during our stay at Aarunya was a walk with the resort's gardener. He showed us how deeply nature and sustainability are rooted in the philosophy of this place. We explored spice gardens, tea plants, and even some of their beautiful medicine herbs. He explained how they grow and use natural ingredients for Ayurvedic treatments and traditional remedies. It was such a calming and inspiring experience, not just a nature walk, but a real moment of connection. He also showed us their homemade biodynamic compotes prepared with fruits from the property, everything made by hand with love and intention. What impressed us most is that Aarunya plans to use and eventually sell these products, made right here at the resort, which adds unique and luxurious touch to the whole experience.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
The cinnamon leaf.
Best cinnamon in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Best cinnamon in the world.
Yeah.
Woo! Really? Did you say water snakes?
No. Water snake.
Water snake.
Water snake.
Yeah.
If there are water snakes, I'm not coming. No snakes.
No snakes.
You sure?
Maybe.
What should this guy?
Maybe some details.
Okay. Guys, I'm scared of snakes. I hope he's right.
So
Out of bar.
this is now the cinnamon that they collect, and now they're gonna peel it.
Right. This first step. So they cut the whole branch into convenient lengths. Now, first step is to scrape.
I can also smell it already.
Yeah, each other. Right.
So she's removing now.
So
And so
this is cinnamon bark. What we do, we dry it, right? You know,
How is the cinnamon?
මේවා කඩන්නයි.
it's nice. It's spicy,
Alright.
sweet.
හරිද? පොහොර තැනට
It would be
යන්න
good to
මම
put it in
මෙයාත්
a
එක්ක
tea.
පල්ලෙහාට යන්න.
Oh yeah, and like a chai. You
Yeah.
put it in chai, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the chai tea.
In the
Chai
chai
tea.
tea.
This is the product we sell.
Ah,
Dried
okay,
one. Dried
okay.
product.
So this is
Aarunya
the best cinnamon of the in the
dried
world.
Cinnamon.
Maize. Huh?
So you dry here everything and then you
Yeah.
pack it here
Yeah.
and sell it.
We started doing that.
Yeah.
So
So doctor, what do you recommend against mosquitoes?
mosquitoes.
Because here are very aggressive mosquitoes in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, mosquitoes. You have to use mosquito repellent first.
Yeah.
Iodine compost heat.
So here they're basically mixing everything like a compote and then put it through the whole garden. So you take the horn of
Yeah.
the cow,
Cow.
and then you put it in the ground
Yeah.
for how long?
4 months.
4 months,
Yeah.
and then
Then
you
we
can bring it
recover
out.
Yeah.
Ah.
The product, final product is like this.
And this is like
This is
The
like
horn
powder from the
and-
horn.
This is cow dung now.
okay.
Fermented cow dung.
Mm.
So right, you can see no smell, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. This contain a number of microbes. So
Okay.
we use it to improve soil structure,
Mm-hmm.
soil microbes. That is called potencize. Energize it.
So you sprinkle then
that's
to the
procedure.
ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And now she's putting this on the ground.
So with that, the trees can grow.
large droplets. Okay. You just sprinkle.
So that's how you get the pepper.
Yeah. Yeah.
So after steaming these little peppercorns, they become real pepper. After like half an hour, they turn black, and that's how they make their own pepper here.
Thank you. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for explaining everything.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Now you can see the turn in color,
Oh,
green to black.
oh! Now the pepper is getting black. The cooking class is about to start. Thank you.
Thank you. What was that? Ah, that's the head.
Chef's hat.
Chef's hat.
Okay. I'm ready.
Now you're finally gonna learn how to cook.
Yes, it's time.
And then
The bandage is still there.
eat it again. So we're cooking a Sri Lankan pumpkin curry, and these are the ingredients that we use for that. Of course, a lot of spices. Are these all from the garden?
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
from the garden, as you seen before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Chili flakes, curry powder, chili powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder, mustard, and cinnamon, cumin, cardamom, cloves, cardamom, salt, and brown sugar.
Oh, okay, okay. A lot of ingredients.
A lot of ingredients. We mainly use lots of spices in Sri Lankan rice and curries.
Yes, yes, I noticed already.
Yes.
How is it going with our lunch?
Good. Like we're cooking here inside this
Clay pot.
Clay pot. And this
Looks very spicy, but I try.
No, I mean the.
Ah, not eating. So everything is finished now. Not because of you, but because of the chef. So what's that? Everything. So this is rice.
This is rice, yellow rice.
Yes.
This is we call ladies' fingers.
Ladies' fingers.
Yeah. Then this is the golden apple. Did you have the drinks? Welcome drinks. Green chutney.
Ah, yes,
And
yes.
the restaurant.
Yeah.
This is butternut,
Mm-hmm.
long beans,
Yes.
chicken.
Ah, chicken
This
curry.
is called papadan crackers, and this is cutlet.
Okay.
Some-
So how is the food?
It's delicious. It's so good.
Good job. Thank you so much.
The best food we have in Sri Lanka. It's
What-
very good.
What do you like the most?
I like the chicken one and
Chicken curry.
the
Coconut
coconut
sambal.
sambal is very good. I was scared it was too spicy, but it's amazing. And the pumpkin is also basically everything is amazing. I love all.
So let me try. Thank you so much. The food was very delicious. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
See you later.
You can be there. I call the buggy also.
Okay.
Okay.
Not make you rush. You can see over there.
Ah,
Okay.
Thank you.
See you. So the Sri Lankan food was so good. We are full now, and we also had a nice dessert, also some fresh mango.
I'm so full now.
But it was really the best Sri Lankan food we had so far
Yes,
here.
it was
Definitely.
amazing. It was
Also not
really
too
good.
spicy. They didn't use too much spices because we told them that we have European stomachs. After the delicious lunch, we are back and we are having a little bit a hard time to get back up because we had a wonderful rest here at the room.
And we went to the whirlpool. It was so hot.
It was so nice and relaxing, and now we're dressed up again and we're gonna go for the afternoon tea, and after that we have
For
a
the
delicious dinner. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hello. Oh, you have a nice dress. Special day today. Yeah. Is there a ceremony? Sorry? Ah, only for sundown tea.
Our spot, as you can see.
Wow, thank you. Some afternoon tea snacks.
So here we have the afternoon tea and a good chai. It's warm because
Chai
here it's a little
latte.
bit fresh,
Cheers.
but it's
And
so good.
Here we have some traditional things like the chili sambal, the coconut sambal, and also this one we had already. It's like in a leaf, some
Red
like
beans, kind of.
bean mousse, something like that. And what else do we have here? Some cake. So let me try something. What should I try? for you?
Try the leaf.
The leaf. Okay, the leaf one. So you eat it without the leaf.
Take the leaf away.
Take the leaf away. And
This
then
is with red beans.
you eat like the beans, I guess, by hand, because they eat everything by hand.
With the tea is good.
It's actually good.
Delicious.
It's a nice snack. So to end this stressful but amazing day, we're having a dinner here, a candlelight dinner together here at this beautiful location. Look at the pool. So what did you get?
I got the fish from Sri Lanka.
And I got like the chicken with some vegetables. It looks amazing. I'm really hungry and looking forward to taste it. So I would say we end this video like that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and see you in the next one.